And we'll get started. Okay, so Doria, thank you so much for being willing to meet with me today and basically just share your experience. Doria is a student of mine from California. She joined the billing coaching group, which is my 6 week training on medical billing and software. She actually joined in September, so it's been exactly 2 months. It hasn't been very long at all. She completed the training and she's had some success afterwards. So, Doria, I'll let you go ahead and share your experience with the training and then what has been happening. You can give us an update.
Absolutely. So let me start off with Kiana. Thank you so much for taking the time to let me share my experience because I'm sure a lot of people would want to know what it's about. So thank you so much for that opportunity. So I recall, Kiana, that I reached out to you through, I saw you on Facebook
Mhm.
and you were announcing that you were going to have a free like webinar. And so
Yes.
I was like, okay, free, yay. Like I want to get free information. And that's how I um, got to know you, like of you, was through
Right.
Facebook. And so I took that free webinar class, and then I did a phone consultation with you.
Hmm.
And you gave me like great advice, and I told you where I was at, where I was heading, what I wanted, and you shared some of your, your experience with me, and you helped, and you just basically guided me, and that's
Hmm.
how I started with your coaching program, and that's exactly what I needed. I wanted hands-on training. I wanted an instructor that was available when I had questions on homework or didn't understand something. So thank you for that, Kiana.
You're
And
welcome.
I got to get a feel of the whole revenue cycle. And I don't have that experience at all because I'm a medical coder, but I wanted that. And so I was so thankful that I was able to get that hands-on training because that opened more like, okay, I can do this. I like it. And okay, now I can apply to a job now because I have, experience and maybe just from your coaching program, but it was
Mhm.
enough experience for me to feel confident that, okay, I'm ready to go to the workforce and find a medical billing position. So
Right.
that's
Right. Perfect. Okay. So you went through the 6 week training.
Mhm.
And then once it was complete, what
So
happened next?
once it was complete, while I was taking your program, I was just applying to multiple positions online on Indeed. I felt that Indeed worked best for me. And so I just started applying. I was getting a few interviews. And so I made the decision that I wanted to work from home. And so because that's what you were teaching us, that this can be done from home. And that is a desire in my heart. Like I really want to work from home. I want to have a home office and do it from home.
Right.
So my main focus was to just apply to remote medical billing positions. I didn't get
Okay.
out. I just did that. And so I got an email and a phone call from a staffing agency that wanted to speak to me about my experience and if I was available. So I did an interview with them virtually through Zoom,
Mhm.
and they said they would get back to me, and they got back to me that same day and said,
Wow.
okay, we're going to the next round. They want to interview you again. So I did it again, and they gave me an offer. And so as I was asking questions in the interview, I asked, do I provide equipment or do you provide? Because this is all new to me. They said, no, we will send you the equipment. So I received two monitors, a keyboard, a headset, and I was like, wow, that is amazing. Like
Mhm.
I was not prepared for those gifts, I can say. The bonus, I didn't have to go buy
Right.
that. equipment because I only own a laptop. So I feel so blessed that this company takes care of their employees in that form. And
Mhm.
so I'm happy to say that I've been hired. I start November 30th. And it all started with a staffing agency. So if you're in the
Mhm.
fence of applying and it's a staffing agency, it's okay because they are going to recruit for the companies that are looking. They are looking for you. All you got to do is
Yeah.
just get your resume done by Kiana.
Yes,
And
we
you're
did a
gonna,
resume audit too, right?
yes, and you're gonna get hired. So Kiana, thank you so much for your expertise. And I just want to give advice to somebody that's on the fence is knowledge is power. The best investment that you can do is for yourself. And so if you have the desire to learn medical billing, if you have the desire to open your own medical billing business, gain the knowledge that you need. Join
Right.
the billing coach program by Kiana. She will guide you. She will help you. She wants you to succeed. And I thank you, Kiana, for helping me from the bottom of my heart because you open doors that I didn't know that could be open, and
Right.
because you believed in me, so that helped me gain confidence. Like I can do this.
Oh, you're so welcome. You're so welcome. I really appreciate you. I appreciate you for trusting me to, to educate you and to train you. And I'm so proud of you for taking a chance, putting yourself out there, which we have to do in order to get results. We have to put ourselves out there, for connecting with that staffing agency. Like you said, they are hired by employers to look
Yes.
for, billers, or, whatever position you're looking for. They're hired by the employers. It doesn't cost you anything, and they will assist you and place you with a company. And, in a matter of what, weeks or days, you were able to
Yeah.
secure this
Yes.
position,
Absolutely.
your first remote position, your first medical billing position,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
It's like it's amazing. There are plenty of opportunities out there.
So I just want to let everybody know I don't have any medical billing experience whatsoever other than the program that I took with Ask the Biller. That's the only training that I have. But I do have experience in as a medical coder and
Mhm.
I've been in healthcare for many years. But now I've decided that I want to learn medical billing because the goal is, Kiana, to
Mhm.
be a medical biller and have my own company.
Yes,
That is the
which is
goal.
all possible, which is
Yes.
all very, very possible.
Yes.
So you're gaining those skills, you're gaining experience so that you can pursue starting your own business from home. And it's going to be amazing. And I can't wait to hear all about it and to see your progress. I'm extremely proud of you, like I said. And again, thank you so much for sharing, your experience.
Thank you. I wanted to say one more thing that I wrote down. I think is so important
Mhm.
because of you, I'm where I am right now. So it says knowledge is power. Knowledge is shared. Knowledge shared is power multiplied. So because of
Mhm.
you, because of your knowledge, because of your expertise, because you're willing to share, this is where
Mhm.
I'm at. That so I am so very thankful. And so for this Thanksgiving, I want to thank you and thankful for your
Aw.
life for answering to the call of being this amazing, wonderful instructor. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, Doria. That makes me feel so good. Honestly, I get so much satisfaction out of assisting others, out of educating. I'm super passionate about it, and I'm not going to stop. I'm going to keep going, and I hope to bring on, hundreds of more aspiring billers and coders who want to pursue, self-employment or building their own business. So again, thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family, and stay in touch because I need
Yeah,
updates.
secureTheBomb.com.org.
I appreciate you so much.
Take care.
So much. Take care. Bye.